Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to participate in hashtag Saturday Morning Makes. It's hosted by Jillian Norwood Designs, and I saw a video that Janet Kay from Crafts and Tea with Janet Cade had posted, and I thought it would be fun to participate in this. It's pretty much, anything that you want to post with that hashtag and then just share with crafters on YouTube. So what I did is this paper clip with a shamrock or a 4-leaf clover. And I'm going to make several of these to give to some of my coworkers. So the shamrock is quilled. I used some quilling strips cut down into 4-inch strips, made my loose circles here and shaped them into little heart shapes. Glued them together to get this 4-leaf clover. Then I glued them onto some lightweight cardstock and inserted a paper clip, glued the paper clip, and after that was dried, I just used my Master's Touch alcohol marker with a brush tip to make that design there. So very easy. And the punch I used is this from EK, I think it's EK Tools. I had bought this years ago, I think at Hobby Lobby. And really quick and simple. And if you're interested in participating in this, it's just hashtag Saturday Morning Makes. So you can go ahead and search that on YouTube. And again, it's hosted by Jillian Norwood Designs. And the video, where I was first introduced to this was by Crafts and Tea with Janet Kay. So I thought, again, it would be just something nice to participate in and, just share your crafts with other YouTubers. And I hope you enjoy this. I hope you participate, and looking forward to seeing what everyone else is making with their hashtag Saturday Morning Makes. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you soon. Bye.